Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to set any song or music file as your ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Let's customize your ringtone in just a few steps. Start by opening the settings app on your phone. Now locate this option called Sounds and Vibration and tap on it. Go to Ringtone. If you have dual SIM, select which SIM you want to change the ringtone for. In my case, I only have one. Now tap the plus icon at the top right of the ringtone list. This will open up your My Files or Music app. Browse and select the MP3 or audio file you want to set as your ringtone. Once you choose the song, it will be added to the ringtone list. Now just tap it and press back. Your ringtone will be set. If the song is too long, use any free ringtone maker app from the Play Store to trim it before setting it. And that's how you set a custom song as your ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.